Recently, someone left a note for the parents about uh, their child who's has disabilities. And for whatever reason, maybe they forgot or whatever to leave their tags as disabled. And somebody else wrote a very not very nice note of the parents. So it's like you can't be writing notes to somebody, okay? you that's just not nice. And it's not your job to be writing very nasty notes to another people with disabilities. Sometimes we can forget our tags when we park. So, you have to have patience, and you have to have, you know, you have to be polite because you don't know what's going on and the other person with disabilities. You have a child who is on disabilities and a serious disability. So it's not you to be going around writing, you know, a, 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 m- a nasty note for the poor parents. So, we gotta pay paid attention about people with other people with disabilities. You don't know what's going on. It's not your situation. It's theirs. So you have to have you're not a police officer. You're not the manager at the store. You don't know anything. So you if you have a question, ask the manager. That's it. Don't write nasty notes to somebody else. That's my suggestion. Just write or just talk to the manager of the store. Hey, I have see this situation, blah blah blah, and they'll clar- clarify the situation for you or for the parents that are there. So talk to the managers, not to write notes to somebody because that could cause a big problem for you. They're not going to cause any issues for the parents. I think the police already clarified all this. So because the the person who got the note, those are the parents, but the person who wrote the note should get a little warning from the police. I think it's like it's not you know your your situation. You don't have to go around asking disability people to have problems. It's I don't know what they're doing or what their issue is, because that seems like it's an issue with the person who wrote the note. That's a problem, not the parents. It's the person who wrote it. So the parents are doing just fine. So, the parents were just fine, but other people with disabilities are just fine. But the person who's being nasty, the note is a problem. That's the problem. So, we have to be more we have to be more conscientious, and we have to be, you know, we have to write. If you want to write something, then write to the manager. That's it. You don't have to write to the person with the disability. You don't know what they're going on. You don't know what their disability is. You don't care. You don't pay attention to that. If you want to talk to the manager, that's fine. Then, or the police that's checking things, and you can talk to the police, and then the police will take care of it. You know, and they'll know what's going on. I don't think they meant to be, you know, parking in the wrong place. I don't think they meant that at all. So, and they had a child with disability. So, we really have to pay attention, and to be polite. I have to say that, you know. And if you have a concern about something's going on at a parking area, to talk to the police or talk to the manager of the store, that's the best way to do it. Don't write to anything. Don't write to the person with a disability. It's like, that's going to cause you a problem. Not the person with the disabilities. So that is just my suggestion. Just a suggestion. All right, everyone. You can put on your comments about this and what you suggest, and we'll see how we work this through. All right, everyone. Remember to stay safe, stay strong, and stay rolling. We'll see you soon. Bye.